Most local business websites look cheap not because their business is bad, but because their design breaks the basic rules of high ticket conversion. Take a look at this original heroes section for a heavy industry tunneling company. It looks like a basic template. Here's what was completely missing: zero visual hierarchy, unreadable wall of text, diluted color system. First, the text was slapped directly over a busy, unpolished photo of dirt and pipes, making it a nightmare to read. Second, they had a massive wall of text that nobody reads in the first 3 seconds. And finally, their colors were completely unfocused. Multiple gold buttons and bright green accents fighting for attention simultaneously. So I built it from scratch to hit a premium 10K standard. I applied the strict 60-30-10 color rule. 60% is a deep architectural slate base with a heavy high contrast overlay on the imagery. 30% is crisp titanium white reserved purely for light editorial typography, and that 10% accent color, I logged it down exclusively for the primary call to action button. We ditched the centered wall of text for an authoritative left-aligned layout with a punchy one-sentence value positioning. The result: immediate visual clarity, instant trust, and a clear path for the user to convert. Rate this redesign from 1 to 10 in the comments.